TRUG stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Trugolf is sitting at 41 cents. It is melting, and to be very frank, not a big fan. Although this is like a, I think the first top one, it's not top one, this is like a big claim, but it has big short squeeze potential. Everything is possible, although I'm not going to look at it from that lens. I've done 35,000 videos. I've figured out what's worked for me, what's not, right? To a very good degree. And ultimately speaking, that's how my TRUG stock looks like. So yeah, let me know what is your opinion. If you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's just a free newsletter, you know, like it's a free newsletter. So I'm interested to see if I have anything TRUG related in there. Not necessarily, but yeah, all comments are open, so I would really like to hear your thoughts. And since I've already gotten a double break, I'm just waiting for this to deliver. Quite frankly, it was a bearish call out from 60 cents. Now it's 41. Good one, if you ask me. See ya.